Thai Katha for Busha to Prat Nak Prok, the Buddha with the 7 naga-headed canopy, which is different to the older Pali version. This is also in Pali, and is used by Thai Buddhist people for praying on Saturdays to the Buddha or to the Prat Nak Prok Buddha, or for those who are born on Saturday. And it's different to a previously published one. It goes like this. Iti piso bhagava prasau jama saming ja puttha kunang ja dhamma kunang ja sangha kunang sappha tukkhaṃ sappha bhayaṃ sappha rokaṃ vivacchaye sappha lāpaṃ bhavantu me. One more time, syllable for syllable. Iti piso bhagava prasau jama saming ja puttha kunang ja dhamma kunang ja sangha kunang sappha tukkhaṃ sappha bhayaṃ sappha rokaṃ vivacchaye sappha lāpaṃ bhavantu me. And one more time fluently. Iti piso bhagava prasau jama saming ja puttha kunang ja dhamma kunang ja sangha kunang sappha tukkhaṃ sappha bhayaṃ sappha rokaṃ vivacchaye sappha lāpaṃ bhavantu me. And that is Thai Katha Busha Prat Nak Prok, or Saturday Buddha, second version. Ajahn Spencer for the Buddha Magic Project, signing off.